The next step in doing a structural layout is actually a little side trip into the world of Microsoft Word for a moment. It's a really good idea to use styles to maintain consistency along formatting across an entire document or a series of documents. So for our purposes, we want to construct a style or a set of styles. I'm going to call them level 1, level 2, and so on, which will allow us to do the kind of left to right orientation that we need to make a structural layout look nice on the page. A style is a set of consistent formatting commands or attributes that you can name and then reapply as you need to. So let me start by clicking into this first paragraph where the eulogetos text occurs, the text of verse 3. You can see in my formatting palette up above where the ruler is that I've set this as normal style. That's the default. Now I'm going to define my first style. And probably the easiest way to do this is to actually use the format menu and choose style. So a number of different other ways to do this as shortcuts. It's much easier to use the menus rather than shortcuts on the ribbon or keyboard shortcuts and so on. You can learn those yourself. But if I choose style from the format menu, and I'm going to define a new style, and I'm going to call it level 1. You'll see the method to my madness in a moment. Alright, now I've defined level 1. And you'll see that when I've applied this style, I clicked apply on the previous dialog box, that the name of the style appears here in the style ribbon. But what I want to do now is define a style for each level of indentation that I'm going to use in my structural layout. So here's how it works. I'm going to apply the level 1 style to the next paragraph, and then what I'm going to do is pull down the format menu again, choose style. Next I'm going to click new, and then I'm going to type level 2. Now that I've defined level 2, I'm going to modify the style. I'm going to pull down the format menu down here in the lower left-hand corner and choose paragraph. This time I'm going to set the indentation of the left margin to 0.5. Level 2 will be at 0.5, level 3 at 1 inch, level 4 at 1.5, and so on. So once I click OK again here, and then click Apply, you can see here in this document I have level 1 at the left margin, and level 2 indented 0.5 inches on the left side, and so on. So what I want to do is set up a set of styles, maybe through level 6 or so, and then that will allow me to apply those level styles throughout my structural layout document.